Hi, I'm Ananya Banerjee and welcome to my kitchen. As they say, health is wealth. So how do we incorporate health in our everyday food, and the food should not be boring? So today I have got a dhokla recipe which I am using ragi flour. Ragi is very rich in minerals and fibers and protein content. Dhokla anyway is a steamed delicacy which is very popular Indian snack, a healthy goodness. So let's get started with the Ragi Rava Dhokla. First things first, ragi, the grain which brings down your cholesterol. It's anti-cancerous, how good it can go. Then goes rava. So Sooji and ragi both in equal proportions. I mix that with another good stuff, yogurt. Now mix these three things together very well. You have to keep it aside for 5 minutes. Here I have set a steamer. I have pre-greased the plate well, and then I'm going to place the dhokla here. My dhokla batter has rested for 5 minutes, so it's well settled now. I'll add salt to taste and get a good mix. But what will make the dhokla rise? This fruit salt makes any batter dhokla, whether it's yellow or white or ragi like this, makes it rise. You see the change of consistency immediately. It's all very frothy, and as soon as you add your fruit salt, you should not wait. You should pour it in the dhokla plate and place it in your steamer. So look at the frothy consistency. So it is good to go in the steamer. Steamer is all preset now. So lots of steam coming out. So I'll just place the plate in it, close the lid and let it steam for 10 to 12 minutes or till a toothpick inserted inside comes out clean. So my dhokla has been steaming for 10 minutes. I'll just check this out. Looks perfect to me. I'll take it out. Yeah. And do the toothpick test. See, it comes out pretty clean. It's perfectly done. Now the dhokla needs a little bit of tempering or tadka. What do we need for our tadka? First thing first, oil. So when the oil heats up, you need to add your mustard seeds and your sesame seeds. Give it a good stir. Add hing, curry patta, and some dhania leaves also, and evenly pour the tadka on the dhokla. So my healthy Ragi Rava Dhokla looks perfect. Just a little bit of greenery, that is dhania, coriander leaves. I love coriander leaves, and some grated coconut if you like, that you can put, add so much color and taste too. This is absolutely ready to be served. Looks so good. This is ready for you, Ragi Rava Dhokla, which is full of goodness and full of health. So friends, if you're hungry and you want to make a quick snack, and that quick snack is not only tasty, it's also full of health, this one is for you. Ragi Rava Dhokla, made in a jiffy. If you like this video, do hit the subscribe button and like and comment and share.